If you've lost access to your Insight Timer account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Insight Timer website. Go to the official Insight Timer website using a web browser on your computer or device. This is where you will initiate the account recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Insight Timer account. Make sure to use the correct email to receive recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Insight Timer. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Insight Timer's customer support for further assistance.